Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we've got baked ziti pizza. Yes, a very interesting name. I used to make this pizza quite frequently when the kids were significantly younger and would tear up whatever we made. And someone, for the record, we read all the comments. And someone said, make something that you guys used to have when you were, growing up younger. And this is something that I used to make for the kids all the time. And people would come over, Lumeri, Yanira, Moya, they'd all say, what is that? What is that? So the gig is up. I'm letting the secret out of the bag. So baked ziti pizza, super simple ingredients, and it should be done really quick. What do we need? Need mozzarella for the pizza. I tried finding the bobolis, which we couldn't find the boboli dough, but any pre-made dough, not the raw dough. Some ziti. We're out of ziti here. There's a tornado watch in Jack's, so the supermarket's a little bare. So I got mini penne. A jar of red sauce. You guys know I can make a red sauce, but jar of red sauce. I prefer the ragu with the black label, which is Parmesan. Couldn't find that. As I mentioned, the tornado warning has got everything empty. Italian grinder, herb seasoner, ricotta cheese, black pepper, salt, a pound of ground beef. We're using Butcher Box again. Quarter cup of onion, white onion diced, and some garlic. Super simple. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And we'll work on our
sauce.
So come here and I'll get a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in my preheated pot and add in my ground beef.
Was it too hot?
That was too hot. But I'll brown that off. I can show this off. Now we're back to normal with regular heat and the kitchen's all foggy. But brown off, break up the meat, and we'll go to our next steps. I got my beef browned off. I'm gonna add in my onion and the garlic and about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper and about a tablespoon of ground Italian herb seasoning. Can you smell it over there already? Do you smell the seasoning? Before I would have done adobo, but I'm just changing it up now. So just browned it off for a few minutes, added the seasonings. I'm gonna wait for the onions to get soft and we'll go to our next steps. Beef's good. I'm gonna add in that jar of Rao's, which we happen to use in our lasagna soup as well. So not that I'm not a fan of it, but get that going. And our meat sauce is done. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
I'll probably let that simmer so that the flavors can all meld together. But we are off to the races once the water starts boiling for our pasta, and we'll build our pizza here. Sauce is done. The pasta's boiled. It's not al dente. We're gonna start building. So for this, we're going to get like our baked ziti video, just like we did in a baked ziti video. Take some pasta. It's the bottom of our bowl here. See that? And then mix in some ricotta cheese. I'm excited, you know why? Alicia's here. Some of that sauce. And stir it all together. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Smells good. I'm hungry.
And that's it, our baked ziti's done. If we were on to our baked ziti, what would be our next step? What would we do in a real baked ziti? Put it in a pan and put it in the oven. But now, since we're not doing that, we're doing baked ziti pizza, I'll go ahead and get my pizza peel ready and put some sauce on the bottom. Because no one remembers me making this. But when it comes out of the oven, hopefully you guys remember. You know who remember? Astrid. Mark will remember too when he sees it.
Yeah, because Alicia was too little. She was a baby.
And then I'll put my big Ziti on. How's it look?
I don't have any pictures of those times because I don't remember.
No, we probably do. It's a Polaroid. It was back when we lived in Philadelphia.
I know, but I don't remember. Well, hopefully I'll remember when I get the bite.
How's that look so far?
Good.
Some more sauce. And last but not least,
Cheese.
oh, they do listen to me. They do listen to me.
Well, the pizza doesn't need that cheese.
Top this off with cheese. Maybe some garlic powder, Alicia. Almost have enough to do another pizza.
Well, good.
Carolyn, you're gonna taste this, so make sure you comment down below. Let us know what they think. And into the oven for 10 minutes. I do have a pizza stone in there. You don't need a pizza stone because it's thick. That's why we used to do this on this type of crust. But I'm gonna put it in the oven without making a mess. Ten minutes. 10 minutes are up. Time to get out of the oven. Crisis averted, and color looks good. How's that?
Looks good.
Alicia?
And smells good.
I don't know what to say.
She said, when were you guys making this? I said, when we were broke.
Yeah.
Got to invent. But we'll slice it while it's warm. Cheese looks good.
I know. Yeah, mira la foto, ¿verdad?
Can I continue cutting? Pausing for thumbnails is difficult. It's part of the process, right, sweetheart?
Yeah. I need that picture.
I'm gonna take this out so you guys can see the cross section. Does that come out in the video?
Yes.
That'll be my piece. I have to taste. So garlic powder. We went to a pizzeria the other day and she said, what's all this stuff on the table? I said, garlic powder, oregano, red pepper flake. Let's see what we're working with.
Come on. Hot. Pero está bueno.
Jimmy B. I'd have to step aside because I know Jimmy B would go all in. Straight fire. Like I said, we read all the comments. Thank you to all the subscribers. If you like the video,
Like the video.
comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
see you next Friday, guys. This is a winner. Alicia, you want to taste?
I know, and it's so simple, so easy, so quick. You got Parmesan?
Oh, I got Parmesan. I got Parmesan, I got red
Yeah,
pepper
I
flake.
want Parmesan. Is it hot?
It's not hot. I mean, it's warm, it's not hot though.
Come on, closer. Hot. It's hot.
Is it warm?
Or it's good.
You weren't expecting that. Bye, guys. Is it warm?
It's good.